300 SD partially assembled. AC condenser, fan, fenders off the parts car, hood off the parts car, radiator. Got everything back on it. Here's all the pieces that still need to go on. There's one of the old fenders. But it wouldn't crank yesterday because I think the diesel was bad. Because it sat for like a year and a half in the heat. But I flushed it out of the fuel filter and the injectors and put in some fresh diesel. And it's back in business. Also got the lift installed. Haven't quite figured out how to lift the F-250. I got the Trans Am. That was relatively easy, but with the truck I've got, frame extensions because the rear frame goes up a little bit, and then I got front extensions, and I can't figure out how to lift it without hitting the running boards. So haven't quite figured out that yet. I messed around with it for like an hour last night, trying all the different adapters and fittings, and maybe I'll just go by Ford and see how they do it at the shop up there. But the Heisenberg should be back on the road shortly. I got the radiator and AC condenser, I had them cleaned out and flushed and repainted at the radiator shop. Got to put the dryer back on there. And then hook up all the electrical. Electrical work is always fun. Hopefully it'll just plug in and work. And there's the goat. She's doing good. But anyway, that's the latest update. Should be back on the road soon.